and welcome to the Quality Cypress integration tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can execute your scenarios from Quality and map the results. This will allow you to execute all of your test cases that you may require on your specific server. The first thing that you'll need to do is have the test cases already created onto Quality tool as according to the tool itself. The first step towards that is going to the Quality tool and clicking on test cases and new test cases. For this scenario, I have already created a Cypress test cases. I have already associated all the things that are required for this test case. And the requirements for this to work is for the execution type, you must choose Cypress. And once that has been chosen, you'll be able to see two extra fields. The first is the test case tag, and then the Gherkin steps. These must be identical to your test case itself. And the prerequisites for this to work is the @KTC underscore. If this is not present, this will not work. So add this prefix to your tag and you're good to go. Once that is done, just click on create test case and that test case will be created. The next step will be adding it into the test case execution. And once that has been added, you'll just click on execute. So over here, you'll have the option to click on auto execute. But before that, you'll need to add your Cypress integration. For that, click on settings, integration, creating gray, and choose Cypress. And over here, I have set it up in the local server. We have also given a support code for Express server, so you can try it. For that, just add all the methods that have been given, import the Quality Cypress library. Once that is done, add a post report with @script run. Once that is done, you just need to start your server. Once that is done, you'll see it says server running at HTTP localhost 3000. When creating your integration, you must make sure that the localhost is 3000 and /script run, as this will allow the execution to run, execute test cases. Once that is done, you'll click on check and you can see that server is working properly. When you have that go ahead, you can go back into your test lab, test case execution, execute, and you can click on auto execute. Once this has been clicked on, the execution will start on your server wherever it may be. And if you go back on your tool, you'll see in a moment that it has gotten the prerequisites and it's running the execution. Since I have only clicked on a single one and the tag is the KTC success login, it will only run the success login test case. And once that is completed, it will show us the results on the Quality tool. Let's just wait for it. As you can see over here, it says status updated on Quality. So if you go back on Quality, over here we got the success message as well as the new time telling which has been tested by and the status of it. And if you go back into your test case execution, you will see it has uploaded over here that the test case has passed. With this, you can execute any of your test case that is present on your test case execution. Thank you.